When you start looking for the best way to brew the perfect cup of joe, you'll quickly find that there are a ton of products out there. There are many products available to choose: camping and backpacking coffee makers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camping and backpacking coffee makers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WACACO Minipresso GR Portable Espresso Machine. Brews coffee with excellent flavor and texture, fast, compact. A bit expensive, makes a single shot at a time. A bit more fiddly to clean, gets clogged on occasion. If high-quality, tasty espresso is your jam, don't think twice, just buy the WACACO Minipresso GR. The Minipresso turned out to be one of our favorite coffee makers overall. We love it so much that we find ourselves using it a lot at home. The Minipresso uses pressure to make frothy, rich coffee extractions with a manual pump, so you can use it anywhere as long as you have access to hot water. Our one gripe is that it's a bit tedious to clean between shots, so it might not be the best choice if you need to make a lot of servings of coffee for a group. That said, we highly recommend the Minipresso to singles or couples who love espresso and the outdoors. Just be warned, you might find yourself drinking more coffee than usual. Number 2. Aeropress Portable Travel Coffee Press Kit. Compact, fast, great flavor, easy cleanup, makes American, espresso and cold. Requires microfilters. The Aeropress Go Travel Coffee Press is an awesome innovation for those who want to enjoy great coffee and espresso on the go. It uses a tube and rubber plunger to create pressure that forces water through the grounds. This produces a delicious, non-bitter coffee extraction that can be sipped straight, or more water can be added to make an Americano. When you're done, all you have to do is pop the leftover disc of grounds out of the end for disposal. The Aeropress Go Travel is an excellent value since everything you need is included, and it's our top travel coffee maker overall for brew quality, portability, and ease of use. Number 3. Eureka Camp Cafe Coffee Maker Set. Makes large batch for groups, efficient, includes versatile kettle, easy cleanup. Expensive, heavy, bulky, requires paper filters. If you find yourself camping with a group often, the Eureka Camp Cafe is a great way to go. Pour-over coffee is clean and has a great subtle flavor with low acidity, which is good for sensitive stomachs. The Camp Cafe set includes a 2.5-liter kettle to boil water, a large pour-over holder for a paper filter, and a carafe to hold the coffee. The kettle itself is lightweight and has coils at the base to create more surface area and make heating water fast and fuel efficient. While this system is a bit on the bulky side, we love that the parts nest together in a neat, tidy package. The Camp Cafe is a bit expensive, but since you get a great coffee system and 2 versatile pots you can use for lots of other camp cooking, we find this set to be an excellent value. Number 4. Pour-over Coffee Dripper Stainless Steel LHS Slow Drip Coffee Filter. Affordable, paperless, lightweight, compact, durable, easy cleanup. Makes weaker coffee than some. The LHS Slow Drip is a simple and affordable pour-over coffee maker with a good balance of durability to low weight and size. It's essentially a metal cone made of fine mesh that you slowly pour water over, so there's no need to use paper filters. The cone clips onto a wide base plate that fits over the rim of travel mugs, or it can be used separately as a filter for other drippers that normally use paper. For us, the LHS Slow Drip is a bit heavy for backpacking, but it's an elegant option for car camping, travel, and home use. You can't beat the price, and it makes delicious coffee with low acidity and delicate flavors. Number 5. JOGO Portable Coffee and Tea Brewing Straw. Durable, fast, great flavor, compact, reduces teeth stains. A bit heavier than instant packets, each person needs their own. We're fans of the JOGO brew straw for home use, camping, and coffee on the trail. All you have to do is add hot water and regular coffee grounds to your cup, then wait 4 minutes. You can add sweeteners and cream, then drink through the straw using the insulated silicone tip to control the flow. The JOGO helps reduce coffee stains on your teeth, and the fine mesh strainer does an excellent job of keeping your brew grit-free to the last drop. When you're done, simply dump the spent grounds into your compost or trash bag. The JOGO weighs an ounce and is as compact as an ink pen. It's a bit heavier than instant coffee packets for backpacking, but it allows you to choose your own coffee and reduces packaging waste. We also love that the JOGO can be used for cocktails and tea. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.